Huwag na tayo magbularan. Every election in this country is always an exercise of corruption and hypocrisy. Mga kababayan ko, pag ako'y nahalal ng presidente, masisiguro ko sa inyo na walang korupsyon. Ako po na itong, ako nanaad na mayor, Rafamalbong, ang bukas na padaan naman dito, kaya masing yung Santas Contra. You know, a third of all the votes in any local government, be it a province, a city, or a barangay, a third of that vote is a product of bugas, sardinas, pasta. Huwag tayong pahipokrito dito. It is always, we corrupt people every election. And it is a mass exercise for all kasabi kami. It is a mass hypocrisy for every politician.